Welcome to This Week in Williamsburg. I'm your host, Rebecca Suerdieck, curator of archivewilliamsburg.org. Now journey back in time with me. This week in 1906, plans were being made to restore the old church on Jamestown Island. Steel girders were planned to support the ancient brick tower, with special attention given to protect the tombs and foundations. Work was anticipated to cost $8,000. This week in 1921, a display of northern lights was seen throughout Williamsburg. Spectators noted that it was the most beautiful ever observed here, with the sky aglow with far-flung streamers and dazzling, colorful light. Join me next time for another edition of This Week in Williamsburg, brought to you by archivewilliamsburg.org and the Williamsburg Old Time Radio Hour, your source for hometown history, online, on stage, and on the air. I'm Rebecca Suerdieck.